Hey guys, J King 2020 here with a quick word on the brand new Romeo 3 Max Pro. This is the 31mm Romeo 3 Max Pro that replaced the Romeo 3 Max with I think SIG's idea of a slightly larger optic, and also one that would fit a more variety of slides out there in the market, so they could have a more universal appeal, I would think, for use on other guns, which is what I've done here. You'll see it on my Shadow Systems DR920L here, and it fit using the spacer for the Delta Point Pro. Fit tight, fits right, fits good. I've always been a fan of Romeo SIG optics, Romeo 1 Pro here on the 226 Legion, and what I like is the real small rim. So in your sight picture, you're not overcome with this huge, thick shroud like you see here. It's a much thinner rim to look through. Now that's not the toughest or most abuse capable optic, but it's the thinnest optic, and for competition shooting, still challenge USPSA where you really want to track your dot and have quicker transitions, it just takes away from the clutter in your sight picture. So that's why I've always liked the SIG optics. I've run this Romeo 1 Pro for a very long time. I've beat it up a good bit. It's been a tough, good optic. It's a little bit low. The height from deck to the top of the rim's a little bit low. You can't always track your dot through recoil. That's what I'm hoping to be able to do here with this Romeo 3 Pro Max. And I always wanted to be able to run this Romeo 1 Pro on my Glock 17 or my DR920L, but the Romeo 1 Pro did not fit. I wish I had more than one hand to show you guys how much bigger the sight picture is, and to me how much cleaner the sight picture is from gun to gun to gun, but I'm just not set up that way. I just wanted to make sure that I just got this installed last night. I'm gonna let the blue Loctite cure for till this afternoon. I'll probably sight it in this afternoon, but I think this is going to be about as good as you can find out there in terms of being able to track that dot all the way through recoil, be able to call more shots. I want a greater ratio of A zones or alphas to Charlies. Right now my ratio is not that great. I want to be able to close that gap a little bit and get a few more alphas and score a few more points, because I'm not going to, at my age, and I'm not going to do it with my legs. I've got the Osight here, which I like, and a lot of negative publicity on it, on this Prodigy. It's nice and it's big. 507 comp, which I like, but again, the clean rim and less clutter in my sight picture from shot to shot to shot, and the increased size of the screen is really what I was looking for. So anyway, after I get it sighted in and shot a few times, I'll let you guys know the results. Thanks for watching.